Welcome to the English Lessons Podcast. My name is David, and today we'll be doing a simple shadowing lesson with 100 sentences to help you learn about cafe and restaurant talk. You will hear useful lines for greetings, ordering, special requests, and paying the bill. Each line is short and clear, so you can repeat with me and build strong speaking habits. At first, I want you to listen once for the main ideas. Do not stop the audio. Next, listen again for details, numbers, times, and key compare words. And finally, shadowing a few short lines or vocabulary words. Shadowing means you repeat with the speaker in a low voice. And if you enjoy this lesson, please subscribe and share this podcast with a friend so they can learn English as well. After the sentences, you can review a short vocabulary list, then listen again and try to find the words in context. So keep your voice relaxed and try to match the speed and stress of each line. So if you're ready, let's begin. This is going to be about cafe and restaurant talk. Hello, do you have a table for two? Hello, do you have a table for two? Yes, we have a booking under my name. Yes, we have a booking under my name. No booking today? Can we wait at the door? No booking today? Can we wait at the door? How long is the wait for a small table? How long is the wait for a small table? Could we sit by the window, please? Could we sit by the window, please? A quiet corner would be nice, thank you. A quiet corner would be nice, thank you. This table is good for us. This table is good for us. May I see the menu, please? May I see the menu, please? Do you have a kids menu? Do you have a kids menu? What are today's specials? What are today's specials? I'd like a glass of water. I'd like a glass of water. Still water, not sparkling, please. Still water, not sparkling, please. Can I get tap water with ice? Can I get tap water with ice? I'd like hot tea with lemon. I'd like hot tea with lemon. Can I get coffee with a little milk? Can I get coffee with a little milk? Do you have oat milk or almond milk? Do you have oat milk or almond milk? I'd like fresh orange juice. I'd like fresh orange juice. Could I have a small soda with no ice? Could I have a small soda with no ice? Is the lemonade very sweet? Is the lemonade very sweet? Can we get 2 bottles of still water? Can we get 2 bottles of still water? Could you bring extra straws, please? Could you bring extra straws, please? May I have a refill on my coffee? May I have a refill on my coffee? I'd like to order now. I'd like to order now. Can I get the tomato soup to start? Can I get the tomato soup to start? I'd like the green salad with chicken. I'd like the green salad with chicken. Without onions, please. Without onions, please. I'd like the veggie burger with fries. I'd like the veggie burger with fries. Can I get pasta with no cheese? Can I get pasta with no cheese? I'd like extra sauce on the side. I'd like extra sauce on the side. Could I change fries to a small salad? Could I change fries to a small salad? What comes with the grilled fish? What comes with the grilled fish? Does the chicken come with rice? Does the chicken come with rice? I'd like the lunch set with soup. I'd like the lunch set with soup. Can I get a half portion, please? Can I get a half portion, please? I'd like the soup and sandwich combo. I'd like the soup and sandwich combo. Is the steak cooked medium by default? Is the steak cooked medium by default? Please make the steak medium well. Please make the steak medium well. Can I get the pizza with mushrooms only? Can I get the pizza with mushrooms only? I'd like the noodles, not too spicy. I'd like the noodles, not too spicy. Can you add an egg to the noodles? Can you add an egg to the noodles? I'd like the daily special. I'd like the daily special. Can we share one appetizer for the table? Can we share one appetizer for the table? I have a peanut allergy. I have a peanut allergy. Does this dish contain nuts? Does this dish contain nuts? I cannot eat gluten. Is there a choice for me? I cannot eat gluten. Is there a choice for me? Do you have bread that is gluten-free? Do you have bread that is gluten-free? I am lactose intolerant. No dairy, please. I am lactose intolerant. No dairy, please. Is the soup made with cream or milk? Is the soup made with cream or milk? I do not eat pork. I do not eat pork. Could you make it with chicken instead? Could you make it with chicken instead? Please keep the sauce on the side. Please keep the sauce on the side. No butter on the vegetables, please. No butter on the vegetables, please. I'd like no salt on my fries. I'd like no salt on my fries. Can you make it less sweet? Can you make it less sweet? I'd like extra pepper and lemon. I'd like extra pepper and lemon. Is there a vegetarian choice today? Is there a vegetarian choice today? Is there a vegetarian choice today? Do you have a vegan dessert? Do you have a vegan dessert? Can you suggest something light and healthy? Can you suggest something light and healthy? What is inside the house salad? What is inside the house salad? Which soup do you recommend? Which soup do you recommend? Is the fish wild or farm raised? Is the fish wild or farm raised? How big is the portion? How big is the portion? Can we get our food quickly? Can we get our food quickly? Could we have separate plates for sharing? Could we have separate plates for sharing? May we have more napkins, please? May we have more napkins, please? Can I see the dessert list? Can I see the dessert list? What flavors of ice cream do you have? What flavors of ice cream do you have? Do you serve breakfast all day? Do you serve breakfast all day? What time do you close tonight? What time do you close tonight? Is there a kid's price for the set? Is there a kid's price for the set? Do you have any food on sale today? Do you have any food on sale today? Is service included in the bill? Is service included in the bill? Sorry, this is not what I ordered. Sorry, this is not what I ordered. My soup is cold. Could you please warm it? My soup is cold. Could you please warm it? These fries are too salty for me. These fries are too salty for me. I asked for no onions, but there are onions. I asked for no onions, but there are onions. The drink spilled. Could we get help? The drink spilled. Could we get help? Could we please speak to the manager? Could we please speak to the manager? Thank you for fixing the problem quickly. Thank you for fixing the problem quickly. Could we pack this to take home? Could we pack this to take home? Can I get a box for leftovers? Can I get a box for leftovers? May we change tables? This spot is too noisy. May we change tables? This spot is too noisy. Can we have the bill, please? Can we have the bill, please? Could you split the bill into two? Could you split the bill into two? We'd like to pay together. We'd like to pay together. Can I pay by card? Can I pay by card? Do you take tap to pay? Do you take tap to pay? Is the tip included in the total? Is the tip included in the total? I'd like to add a tip. I'd like to add a tip. Can you print a receipt, please? Can you print a receipt, please? Could we get a small discount for the late order? Could we get a small discount for the late order? Thank you. Everything was great today. Thank you. Everything was great today. The food tasted very good. The food tasted very good. The service was very kind and fast. The service was very kind and fast. We had a nice time here. We had a nice time here. I will come back with my friends. I will come back with my friends. Please tell the chef thank you. Please tell the chef thank you. Have a great day and see you soon. Have a great day and see you soon. Take care and see you next time. Take care and see you next time. Goodbye and thanks for your help. Goodbye and thanks for your help. Those are 100 different sentences that you can use when you go out to a cafe or a restaurant. Again, feel free to listen to those words again and say them to yourself. Now we're going to go over some vocabulary. Then I would like you to listen again and find them in the story. Menu, a list of food and drinks. I look at the menu. Table for two, a place to sit for two people. I ask for a table for two. Order, to ask for food or drink. I order soup and bread. I'd like, a polite way to say I want. I'd like a salad. With, together using or including. I want tea with lemon. Without, not having something. I want pizza without cheese. Allergy, a bad reaction to food. I have a peanut allergy. Refill, more drink in your glass. I asked for a refill of water. Bill, the paper that shows the price. I ask for the bill. Split, to divide the bill between people. We split the bill. Tip, extra money to say thank you to the server. I left a 10% tip. Receipt, the printed record of payment. I keep the receipt. Special, a dish for today only. I try the lunch special. Takeaway, food you take to another place. I ask for a takeaway box. And the last word is reservation, a booking or a saved table. I make a reservation for 6. Those were the vocabulary words. Again, feel free to listen to them and go back to all of the 100 sentences that we went over earlier. And again, thank you so much for listening to the English Lessons podcast. If this lesson helped you, please subscribe and also share it with a friend. And if you'd like, leave a short review. Tell me which topics you want next, such as travel, small talk, or even job interviews. And for best results, come back to this episode again tomorrow. First, listen once without stopping. Then next, shadow 10 to 20 lines and focus on clear sound and steady rhythm. Then switch roles. Read the lines alone. Record yourself and compare your sound. You can also pair up with a friend and practice in real life. Try new mixes, like changing with and without. Keep your speaking warm and calm, and smile while you talk. Your mouth will relax, and your voice will feel natural. So keep listening, keep shadowing, and keep growing. Thanks so much for listening to this episode. I hope it helped, and we will see you on the next one. Take care, and goodbye.